Just gonna add a side note in here that August Tunneke makes this stuff look easy. What is up, YouTube? So we are back with you again today. Seems like we talk every day. We got another tree for you here. Great big pine tree. I'd say it's about 90 foot tall. Might be about 100 foot tall actually. We'll find out when we get our rigging lines up there. But this is the culprit right here for today. We've got a little bit of basil rot there going on, pretty hollowed out. That's why the customer's wanting to get rid of the tree there. But we've got the rope runner set up in there already, and we're going to do some speed lining today. But ladies and gentlemen, that's the tree for today. Like I said, it's probably 90, 100 foot tall or so. But we'll catch up with you guys here in just a bit, and we'll see you at the top. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that's funny. Thank you, thank you. Should I put a skirt on and do a curtsy? What'd you say? Yeah. Talking to me? Sorry, too much fun. Clear? I don't know if you saw that or not, YouTube, but we hopped that limb there. Kind of gave it the bar shove there, so. Maybe a little tip and trick for maybe you new beginner tree climbers. Clear. All right, YouTube, got my tie-in set up right here. We're at the top of the smaller stem here. I'm going to use this for tie-in. We're going to use this lead right over here as the tie-in for the speed line. We'll probably put it up yonder here, somewhere in the bigger wood at first till we get to the top. We've got the porter wrap set up over there, chipper right there. It ought to be a pretty easy cleanup for these guys today. So that's that, guys. Just a little swing. Spider-Man. I'll take dirty rope now. All right, guys, we're on this other stem here. We're gonna go ahead and set up our speed line rope here. So I like to use a bowline here. All right, Joey, thank you. Joey just put a water on my climb line for me. Told him I was getting a little warm. So, thank God for Joey. We got Joey's old man helping us today too. Thank God for him. All right, YouTube, so I put myself a redirect right here, running from right there. Just kind of help me stable up, help me get out a little further on them limbs and stability purposes. We'll see you when we get down there, guys. There you are. Ready? Hold it tight all the way out to the chipper. Just gonna add a side note in here that August Heineke makes this stuff look easy. On up to the next one, I suppose. Hold on just a second. I think this is a free faller here. See how it gets a little closer to the chipper for you. Now walk underneath that rope and go on. Yeah, that'll work. That should be job. Got another one for you right here. Got 2 more for you. Yep. These 2 again, yeah. Yes, sir. Huh? Yeah. Oh. Got another one for you here. Hold off. Another one. Huh? Yeah. Didn't need it, but it saved you guys from dragging it 50 foot. You know? I'm thinking about you and you don't think I'm thinking about you. Okay, I got one more sling, and I'll have you guys reload me here. Okay. Alright, there you are. Ready? Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Leverage. Blue rope. Try to hustle if you can, Joey, please. This wind's picking up here. It's about to get mad. Yeah, it just instantly got darker and the wind is hitting. Look for lightning. Watch for lightning.